AEI stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So Alset Incorporated is sitting at $1.38 and it's 35% now, which is quite sweet. And generally speaking, I obviously want to take things up. Like, this does not mean that I'm gonna like randomly start buying, but I just want to take a whole understanding of this, or if, like, maybe the bulls are not even going to be the answer. But for context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and have documented everything. And now just like observing AEI stock, what am I saying? It started to break up, but I'm like, this pullback just really just like ringing some alarms. Honestly speaking, like the only thing that will make me buy here is if I see a proper double break shift on the lower time frame. And this idea could be completely wrong, but without the rules, I'm just not gonna move forward, and it ultimately will come back down to that. So that's how AEI looks like. Why am I seeing V? Because it's super similar to this other ticker, but yeah, whatever. If you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.